Hi guys, I am going to be discussing with you today the MyChart software. It was a software created to allow patients to easily communicate with their doctors and nurses. It is widely used by universities, doctors' offices, hospitals. It is used nationwide and it is becoming very popular because it's just very quick and easy to access. It gives you the ability to schedule appointments, request refills, ask questions, view lab work, and view past visits with summaries. On the drop-down menu up at the top on the left, you also have the ability to view and edit your medical history. You can access your billing. You can access future procedures you may have, lab work, anything you need is available in this software. So let's just start off by giving you guys a little rundown. So this is the home page here. Any urgent messages and notifications that need immediate attention will be here. For example, appointment reminders, any messages that you may have, vaccinations that's overdue. And then on the right here is a list of some previous providers that I have been talking to. And this is just here to make it quick and easy for you if you just wanted to hop on and send one of them a quick message or schedule an appointment with one of them. But you can also do that through the tabs at the top as well. So here we have visits, where it gives you a summary of all your past visits and upcoming visits that you may have. And your past visits each include notes and a little summary if you wanted to go back and remember what your provider told you. And then at the top here, you can also go to your messages, where you can communicate with any of your providers. They'll give you appointment reminders. You can ask follow-up questions. You can ask about medications, anything you need. There's also a tab for billing at the top, where it just shows you how much you owe, how much you've paid in the past at prior appointments, and for what you paid. And then there's also a tab for medications at the top, with a list of all your medications, including the dosage, when it was prescribed, how many refills it has, the quantity, the doctor that provided it, everything. And it's very easy to request refills. You just go request refill, and you would select whichever medication it is that you need a refill on. You would click next, and it would just send the request to your provider, and hopefully they would get it filled as soon as possible, which they always do for me. And so now I'm just going to show you guys how to create an appointment and create a message. So it's very easy. You would go to visits, and like I said, it gives you the ability to also do this on the home page, but this is just a way to do it more officially. You go to visits at the top, just go to schedule an appointment, and then it'll give you a list of previous providers that you've seen here on the left, and for a reason why you're coming in on the right. You can either select a provider or a reason for your coming in, whether it's a vaccination, a COVID test, a flu shot, or just any appointment for any other general reason. So I would just select my provider. And here I would go to appointment request, because that's just for a general appointment. And then the location, typically just wherever the doctor is, so the Morsani Center. And then here you could just put in preferred dates, a time from and to that you would be available. And you can do all available times, or you can even filter it for which days and which time of the day works better for you. And then you'll just write a brief summary here on the reason for requesting your visit. Hit send request, and your doctor will get back to you in your messages with a date and time for an appointment shortly. And then on the left here with the menu, like I said before, you have the ability to locate test results, previous test results, and you can look at medications. You can look at a health summary that includes some medications, allergies, health issues, etc. You can edit that at any point in time. You can also see any tests and procedures that are upcoming, your billing, insurance information, anything you need to locate. I really, really like this software. I've never had a problem with it. It's very useful. My doctors always get back to me in a very timely manner. And it's nice because it saves me from having to call a doctor's office and sit on hold for a while. I can just go in here and send a message, ask a question, request a refill, whatever it is that I need to do. So I really enjoy this software. It's very quick and easy to use.